Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free Microsoft AB-900, that is the Copilot certification. This is for the women in AI or girls in AI. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So there is a free Microsoft AB-900 Copilot and Agent Administration Fundamental Certification is there. So Microsoft Reactor is providing 70 free certification voucher exclusively for girls and women who successfully completed this program under the Women in AI and Girls in AI edition. So, if you are looking for a break into AI, Copilot, and agent administration, this is the amazing opportunity to learn directly from the Microsoft expert and get certified at zero cost. So, who should apply? Girls and women interested in AI, student, beginners, and the tech professionals. Anyone aiming to earn a Microsoft certification for free. So, there is a registration link are there. So when I'll open this registration link, this is the Girls in AI third edition. So AB-900 certification is there. So here you can see to boost women participation in the tech market and tech women or the participation of the women, Microsoft will distribute 70 free certification voucher for the women who successfully completed this program. Okay, join and take your first step towards the AB certification. So there is a events are there, upcoming events. You have to series of events. So here you can get. mm, there is in this third edition of Gold, we are inviting series of the 8 free classes and online and live. So all the classes you have to attend that, and who with the complete participants participation of the AB-900 certification, Microsoft 365 certified Copilot and Agent Administration Fundamental Beta. So they will provide the AB-900 certifications voucher. Okay, so there is a events are there. So Feb Wednesday 2026, like that Feb 13. So there is a series of the events are there. Okay, so this is a register for this series. You can log in if you are already account, or you can just register with your email address, provide the email address and register for this series. You can go through the this process. Similarly, Women AI 9th edition AB-900 certification. Here also there is a event of this series is 8, and all you will get the same detail here also, and here is the 70 free certification voucher for the women who successfully complete this program. So you can go through that. There is also share of series of event, and the event location you can see individual event Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, all times in. So you can go through this, and registration process is same. So you have to provide your email address and register for this email, or you have already account, then go through the sign in process. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% free Microsoft AB 900 certification voucher. So limited voucher are available, don't miss out. And disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question or in the YouTube comment box. I'll reply personally. Subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.